Everybody, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Friday, so it's Biogeometry Friday. I have had two questions sent to me. I'm going to address both of them because they're both pretty short and sweet, and they're worth. One of them is a random experiment, and that went differently than I thought, so that's pretty cool. And the other one is good practice. So let's get started. So the first question is, one of the viewers had heard that testing for vertical negative green can make you sick, or you shouldn't do it. That is not untrue. So some people are extremely sensitive to vertical negative green energy and will get sick when they're testing it. So a good protocol is to wear biogeometry jewelry, a pendant, or a ring. Always start with and end with BG3 energy. So use your BG16 pendulum, put it over something that contains BG3. The clearing plate is great. And for a few rotations, get some good energy going around you. Then go about and test. I don't have anything in this space that's vertical negative green. Everything's corrected. But then you would go and test whatever you're looking for vertical negative green. If you begin to feel ill, stop immediately. Always end the testing going back to BG3 energy, taking your BG16 pendulum over something that's charged or contains BG3. Also, putting your arms up overhead. So stand, put your arms up overhead. That will clear. Washing your hands under running water clears energy. Salt baths, going like this with water clears energy from you. Taking a bath in salt clears energy. You can pick up energy. Energy transfers very easily. It's important to have good protocols. Something not taught in biogeometry, but I will talk about it because I use it. I use the essential oil myrtle before I do any energy work because myrtle is a protectant. So I put a couple of drops in my hand of myrtle essential oil. It is a protection oil. I rub it around me and then I put it around me as an invisible on my aura. And I ask for the energy of myrtle to protect me. So that's a great practice as well. If you want to add that, that's not a biogeometry tip, something I do myself. Okay, so that is how to work with vertical negative green. When I took the class, again, remember, I'm a student, not a teacher, not a practitioner. When I took the class, this was gone over and over again, the protocol of making sure that you are aware that you can feel ill when you do this. And if you are extremely sensitive to energy and you feel ill, don't use it. You don't have to use it. Once you do this for long enough, you'll feel the negative. I use the pendulums to verify, but I feel the energy. Okay, the second came from a reader who does not have any tools, or at least this reader does not have the BG16 pendulum. And yet they felt something. So again, when you work with energy or you're sensitive to energy, you begin to feel things. And if you work with it enough, you really feel things. So they asked if I could test a non-BG3 item, then envision like a spear or a ball of blue energy radiating from the item, and then see if that actually the item contains BG3 afterwards. Now, again, I'm just going to do this with color because when you put intention into anything, if I prayed over this or sent good deeds or good thoughts into an item, it would then again have BG3. So all I'm going to do is take this hand cream I have here that currently doesn't have, I've tested it, and it doesn't have any BG3 in it at all. I'm going to do nothing besides look at this cream and envision a ball of blue energy inside of it. Okay, Now I'm going to test this after. Now they asked me to do it for a minute or two. I'm sure that was not a minute or two, but I already felt that it worked. So here we are. We have divine energy in this hand cream by envisioning a blue orb of energy in it. I didn't think any positive thoughts. I didn't pray. I didn't do anything. All I did was envision a blue orb of energy within the hand cream. So now my hand cream is charged with BioG3. And now to put that in perspective, this person that wrote that in doesn't have any tools. So you can do this without having tools and know that it works. So if you wanted to take something you had and measure a vision of blue energy, it appears to have BG3. So those are my 2 questions this week. Again, if you have something that you have an idea, a thought, feel free to email me through my website, windwaterandwisdom.com. Some of you already have my email address, or it's Mara at windwaterandwisdom.com, and I will try to get to them. Thanks.